Hey everyone, welcome back to the Food Locker. Today we are making broccoli and shrimp stir fry with garlic sauce. Fresh, vibrant, and packed with flavor, this dish is quick, healthy, and perfect for a busy weeknight meal. It is a classic stir fry that you can easily make at home. And I will walk you through step by step how to get that authentic taste and crisp texture. Let's get started. First, let's prepare the green onions by cutting them into 1 to 2 inch pieces. Separate the green leaves from the stems and browse. Discard the ball. Keep the leaves and stems, but put them on different plates since we will add them to the pan at different times. Next, slice the ginger and mince the garlic. For the broccoli, cut it into evenly sized pieces. You can follow my cutting styles or do it based on your preference. Once all the broccoli is cut, place it in a vegetable washing bucket to wash the broccoli for a few minutes and then set it aside. Now, let's prepare the shrimp. First, clean them by making a gentle cut along the back to expose the flank. You can use a tool, like a fork, to remove it. Once all the shrimp are defrosted, rinse them in water and clean it for a few minutes. Then pat them dry with a paper towel. A dry surface can help marinate the shrimp better. Next, we marinate the shrimp. Add salt, sugar, white pepper, cornstarch, and a little water. Mix well. Then add sesame oil and mix again. Oil can help to hold the seasoning on the shrimp like a coating. Place the shrimp in the fridge to marinate for about 30 minutes. Before cooking, prepare the sauce by mixing soy sauce, dark soy sauce, and oyster sauce. Also, mix some cornstarch with water to make cornstarch slurry. We also need to boil the broccoli. And this time I will show you how to keep this bright green color. Once the water is boiling, add some salt and add the broccoli. After 1 minute, drain the water. You will see the broccoli looks vibrant and fresh. When everything is ready, heat the pan and add some oil, swirling it to coat the surface evenly. Add the shrimp along with the ginger. The ginger can also go in first. I forgot at the beginning, but that's okay. Don't stir right away. Let the shrimp sear and develop a little char. After 1 to 2 minutes, flip them and sear the other side. Then add the garlic and stir everything together. After about 30 seconds, you should smell the garlic aroma. Now add the white wine to reduce any fishy smell and enhance the flavor. Let it cook for about 15 seconds until the alcohol evaporates. Add the green onion stems and stir well. Then pour in the sauce and the cornstarch slurry. The cornstarch slurry helps the sauce thicken. Then add the green onion leaves, followed by the broccoli. Toss everything so the shrimp and broccoli are evenly coated with the sauce. After about 30 seconds, it is ready to serve. The stir-fried broccoli with shrimp looks amazing. Crisp broccoli, juicy shrimp, and perfectly seasoned with savory flavors. It is a simple and healthy dish that everyone can make at home. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked this recipe, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye!